Hello everyone. So before we get started, I just want to give some words of encouragement to my sisters and bros out there. I'm just feeling in the spirit to, cheer somebody up. I feel like somebody needs to hear this. Whatever it is that you're going through, it's going to get better. Whatever that job is that you've been waiting on, it's going to come through, sis and bro. Whatever problems you're facing in that relationship, God is going to see it through if it's meant to be, of course. And whatever problems you're having at home, if you got some bills that's getting on your nerves, that's making you stress out, God is going to work it out. Stay strong, have faith, stay down and pray, and God is going to work it out for you all. But nevertheless, the little white stuff I have on my eyes, y'all, is milk of magnesium. I just use that to prime my eyes because sometimes, like, over the day, I feel like my brows start getting oily. I don't know if it's because of the pencil that I use. I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil, by the way. I love these pencils, but I feel like my brows start getting oily after a while. So I just use that milk of magnesia. I place it over my brows. I brush it in, and after I'm done, it don't even look like I have it on. And then I just start to fill in my brows all the way. And of course, I'm going to add some red eyeshadow to my brows because I have red hair. And, I kind of want my brows to match my hair. So I'm going to add some red eyeshadow to do that. And then I'm going to clean my brows up with some concealer. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you all subscribe. Like, how is you on my channel watching my videos but ain't subscribed, sis and bro? Like, what is you doing? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to subscribe and you just want to watch my videos, then hey, you can do that too. But make sure you tune into my videos because I have a lot of good content. And I'm not just saying that. I'm, one of those YouTubers that actually do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. I got some nice family content for you all. I'm going to have upcoming more family content coming up for you all. So I'm not just going to be a beauty channel. I'm going to be giving you all-in-one type of channel, giving you y'all life, giving you some tips and some laughs and some fun. So subscribe. So this is the eyeshadow I was telling you all about. This eyeshadow is from Juvia's Place palette. I'm using this red eyeshadow. I'm just placing it over that color that I used before with the ColourPop pencil, and then I'm just going to brush it in together so it just gets like a blended effect once I do that. You can also just opt into using a red brow pencil or burgundy eye pencil if you want to do so. That will work too, but I just personally like to use eyeshadow because that's what I have. I don't have a red brow pencil, and use what you got, sis. If you don't got no red brow pencil, use some red eyeshadow. Use what you got at home. You don't always got to go out buy product. I say that in all my videos because I be trying to save y'all some money, honey, because I don't like to spend money either like that. So use what you got at home and make it work. So after that, what I like to do is clean my brows up. I'm actually using some concealer that I got from Maybelline. I usually go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. That's what I actually would recommend, but it does about the same difference. My Maybelline concealer was just closer to me at the time, so I was like, I'm gonna grab this. I don't feel like trying to reach for that stuff. So all that stuff do the same thing to me, y'all. I feel like if you know how to work with certain products, all of it can do the same. So once I'm done cleaning up my brows from underneath, what I'm going to do is take some of that concealer. I'm going to just put like little strokes near the front of my brows, just so I can add like that little hair-like effect brows. Like you can see your actual natural hair brows peek through the brow product. I like to have that type of effect, and it just looks better, and it gives you that gradient effect so it doesn't look so harsh near the front of your brows. So I just like to add that concealer towards the front of my brows. Then once I'm done with that, what I like to do is take a little bit of the concealer that I used from underneath my brows, and then I like to mix it with my foundation, just because a lot of people say, okay, use the foundation, your foundation shade, to clean up the top of your brows because it just looks more natural, and you can do that. But for me personally, I just like for it to be just a tad bit brighter because it looks cleaner to me. Now, I didn't say too bright because you're gonna want that halo effect, but I like for it to be just a little bit brighter because it works for me. But of course, you can do whatever fits you, whatever suits you. And even if you do like that halo effect, honey, who can tell you how to do your brows? Do your brows how you want to do your brows. But this is how I like to do mine. And once I'm done cleaning up my brows, I'm just going to take some brushes and then I'm just going to buff that product into my skin so I get that perfect blend. So once I'm done buffing out my concealer for my brows, what I'm going to do is take my foundation. I did not mix the foundation with the concealer this time. I just strictly took my foundation, and I actually would have preferred taking some brown concealer instead of the foundation. That's what I'll do next time. But I'm just taking some of my foundation and I'm patting it all over my lids. And after I pat it all over my lids, what I'm going to do is take this powder that I got from Maybelline and I'm going to set this. And the reason that I'm doing this is just so I can just get that natural brow effect. I want this look to be all about a thick eyeliner look and the glitter underneath my eyes. That's the kind of look that I'm going for in this video. And I'm just going to set it with that powder once I'm done blending out the foundation on my eyelids. So now I'm taking that NYC liquid liner and I'm just going to start lining my lids. I'm going to make my liner rather thick in this video because, like I said, I want this look to be more so about that thick liner. So I'm going to make it pretty thick, and because I'm not adding any eyeshadow, so I want my eyeliner to pop. So once I'm done with my eyeliner, I went ahead and added a little bit more of that Milk of Magnesium to my skin. I added my foundation, and now I'm just going to take my concealer, and you all know the regular routine. I take it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and in the center of my forehead, and then I'm just going to buff it in till I get that perfect blend. So I went ahead and added my lashes off camera. I never really do my lashes all on camera because, you know, I just don't be feeling like it. Really, I ain't really no excuse. I just don't be feeling like it. But now I'm taking my glitter and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. I'm not taking any glitter glue. I like to use those glitters that already be like in a little tube because it kind of has the adhesive in it already. So what I do is I take that, I put that underneath my eyes, and then what I do is I would take some loose glitter and place that over it. And all these products y'all can get at the beauty supply store. You probably can even get at Family Dollars or something. A lot of this stuff do not cost a lot of money. Work with what you got. If you got a budget, go to the dollar store, go to Walmart, go to the beauty supply store. The beauty supply store be getting a little high too. Like, you know, you gotta watch some of the beauty supply stores you go to because they be taxing. But use what you got. Next, I'm just going to line my lips with some liner, and then I'm going to add that NYX lipstick. And now we're going to get into my hair, y'all. This is a 2-in-1 video if you haven't noticed. And I'm just going to take my small babyless flat irons and I'm going to get into these edges, honey, because they kinky. Okay, they are kinky, and I'm just going to straighten them so that once I do add my edge control and stuff, that I have an easier process. And it also makes for your edges to last a lot longer. For those girls who still wear those leave outs, that helps when you straighten your edges first. It makes your edges lay for a longer time when you add that edge control. Today we are going to be actually doing some crimps. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel with crimps already. If you all would like a more in-depth tutorial about my crimps, then you all can make sure that you tune into those videos. I'm going to have them listed in the description box below, as well as have them tagged at the end of this video, so you can definitely make sure you click those links. But I'm going to pretty much just kind of let the video play out from here because I have so many tutorials with my crimps and I love my crimps, y'all. So I'm just going to do those and then just continue to let this video play out. So like I said, y'all, I like to get my edges together by first scraping them, as you all seen before, and then I like to take this little toothbrush looking thing that's a edge control brush, and I'm just going to create those little what y'all call them? Is they called the finger wave looking things? Yeah, I'm gonna create those little swoops, and then I'm just gonna take me some hair strips, and this is actually what also is gonna make your edges last longer too. They use these for frontals, but y'all can use them to lay your real edges down, honey. And I place that on my edges for about 10 to 15 minutes. I take it off, honey, and then oh my god, y'all, look at that, honey. Your edges gonna be fleeky, honey. And after that, I'm just gonna finger detangle my crimps. I'm gonna fluff them out, and y'all are just gonna get into it. If you all have not followed me on Instagram already, please make sure you do so at Quoia_Renae. If you all haven't seen the tutorial on how I got this hair color, make sure you all tune into that video. I'm going to also have that video listed in the description box below. But nevertheless, guys, this is the finished look of my 2-in-1 video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, I love you all. Stay blessed and stay encouraged and stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye.